Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's solve some preposition and phrasal verb questions together. Okay, and each question carries 1 mark. So first question is, the manager asked the staff to look dash the matter immediately. Now which word should I fill in this blank? Options are on, into, at, over. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? It is option B. The manager asked the staff to look into the matter immediately. Okay? If you got it right, give yourself 1 mark. Okay, question number 2. She came dash a rare painting at an antique store. Options to fill this blank are across, about, with, upon. These are the 4 options. Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence, or which one is the correct option? If your answer is option A, you're absolutely right. Well done. She came across a rare painting at an antique store. Okay? And give yourself 1 mark if you got it right. Question number 3. Please take dash your shoes before entering the temple. Which word should I put over here? Options are out, off, away, on. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is correct option? It is option B. Please take off your shoes before entering the temple. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, he ran dash an old friend while shopping in the mall. Which word should I fill over here? Options are over, up, across, by. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Is option A correct, B correct, C correct, or D is correct? Which one is the correct option out of these 4 options? Those are saying option C are absolutely right. Well done. He ran across an old friend while shopping in the mall. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is question number 5. Question number 5 is, the teacher put dash the meeting due to bad weather. Which word should I fill in this blank? Options are out, up, off, down. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Is option A correct? Is B correct? Is C correct? Or D is correct? Which one is the correct option? It is option C. The teacher put off the meeting due to bad weather. Okay, now before I move on to the next question, I have a tiny task for you all. Please mention in the comment section below which is your favorite English grammar topic. I would love to know. Okay, now coming back to the question. Question number 6 is, I am looking forward dash meeting you in person. Which word should I fill in this blank? Options are for, to, at, on. These are the 4 options. Now quickly tell me which option is correct out of these 4 options. Which one do you think is the correct option? It is option B, 2. I am looking forward to meeting you in person. Let's move to the next question, which is question number 7. We had to deal dash a lot of pressure during the launch. Which word should I fill in this blank? Options are to, on, with, in. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option C, with. We had to deal with a lot of pressure during the launch. Okay, next is question number 8. She takes dash her mother in both looks and nature. Which word should I fill over here? Options are over, after, up, of. These are the four options. This question is easy but a tricky one. So take your time, go through your sentence, go through your option. I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct option. Which one is correct option? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Are you able to find the correct option? Okay. All of you, those who are saying it is option B, are absolutely right. She takes after her mother in both looks and nature. Okay. Let's move to question number 9. The factory was shut dash because of safety violations. Which word should I put over here? Options are down, off, out, up. These are the four options, but which one is correct? It is option A. The factory was shut down because of safety violations. Okay, and now we have reached the last question, which is question number 10. Question number 10 is, he backed dash when he realized he was wrong. Which word should I fill over here? Options are on, away, out, off. These are the four options. Which one is correct? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Coming back to the question, this is question number 10 and these are the four options. Now quickly tell me which one is the correct option out of these four options. Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Which one is it? Those who are saying option D are absolutely right. Well done. He backed off when he realized he was wrong. With that, we come to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.